Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love takeout food, especially like most people. Chinese takeout, and one of my all-time favorites is chicken chop suey. So I decided to make it on my own, put my own veggies in, and it came out just incredible. So let me share this wonderful dish with you, and let's get started. So to kick things off here, what I have are 3 chicken breasts that I've sliced up fairly thin. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to this, some salt, and of course what I say in every video, one of my favorites, some ground black pepper. Then I'm going to take my favorite cooking utensil, which is my hands, I should say, and I'm just going to give this a mix until the chicken is coated. Then I'm just going to set this aside while I'm doing my sauce. Okay, our sauce consists of a cup of chicken stock combined with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, then a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I'm going to grab up my little whisk here and give it a mix until everything is well combined. Okay, what I've got here is my preheated wok. I'm just going to add some oil to this. Put in 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a couple of shallots. And if you don't have shallots, I mean, you can always just use onions. And I'm going to saute this just until they're fragrant, so that nice aroma fills the air. And I should mention too, if you don't have a wok, you can always use a frying pan. Next, I'm going to add the chicken in. Then we're just going to fry this until it's cooked through, and this will just take a few minutes. It's sliced fairly thin. And if it gets a little too dry, guys, don't be afraid to add a little bit more oil. By the way, guys, how did the chicken cross the road? In a KFC bucket. Okay, now it's time to add in the veggies. And these are optional, but this is what I like to add in. A good handful of snow peas. And a medium carrot, thinly sliced up. And a good handful of chopped celery. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and toss this up. Does this ever look good? And we want to cook these just for a few minutes until they're tender crisp. Once they're tender crisp, and I can't stress enough, you want a bit of a crispiness to these. I'm going to add in our yummy sauce, a good handful of bean sprouts, and we're just going to cook this for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens. Guys, this looks so delicious and smells so delicious. After about 3 minutes, our sauce is nicely thickened. So I'm just going to kill the heat and serve this up. Okay, so I'm just going to spoon this over a bowl of steaming hot rice. Yum, ever so delicious. Of course you want some of that yummy sauce over the top just so it sinks into the rice. Just look at this. And there you have it, our super delicious and easy chicken chop suey in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. So good, guys. The veggies are crispy, the chicken is tender, the sauce is out of this world. You gotta make this, for sure. I'm gonna eat more. Just love it. So for this recipe and many more, head on over to cookandshare.com. Like I always say, all kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.